well. I can see that most of you guys faces today. So today we are going to discuss about the forex market. So I'm not sure whether how many of you guys are having experience in this market. Some of you guys have experience. Some of you guys have experience in the stock market, cryptocurrencies, and commodity markets, right? Some of you guys are completely new to the markets, or some of you guys completely new to the forex market. So today we are trying to learn about the basics about the forex market, and followed by we'll be learning strategy, that is smart money strategy. And in the second half, we're going to discuss about the refinement of the strategy. So whatever strategy we are going to learn, we are going to refine that strategy. So whether you are a beginner, whether you're an experienced trader, that doesn't really matter. This is going to be a beginner friendly session, and you'll be getting the important strategy that you can apply in any markets, especially forex market, but also you can apply that in a stock market and cryptocurrencies and other segment of the financial markets. Okay, so whether you're experienced trader or beginner trader, that doesn't really matter, because you are going to get some value out of today's session. All right, so I would like to ask this question. I want to start from this question. What do you guys think? What is forex trading? What is forex trading? What do you guys think? Can anyone can give me some glimpse or some idea what is forex? What is forex? Whatever you know, you can type it out in the chat box. What is forex? What is forex trading? It can be anything. Currency trading, okay. Foreign currency trading, trade between the currencies. Foreign trading, right? World biggest market, yes, absolutely. Currency exchange, forex trading, exchange of currencies, yes. Okay. Foreign trading like Tesla, okay. $5 trillion, great, per day. Great. Trading of foreign currencies, foreign exchange market. All right, in a simple language, it's nothing but in forex market, we are dealing with the currencies. Sorry, we are dealing with the currencies. We'll be buying the currencies and we'll be selling the currencies. We'll be buying euro, USD, Japanese yen. There are different countries have different currencies. All the currencies has been traded in the forex market. It's a marketplace where you can able to buy the currencies and sell the currencies. It's similar to any other trade, right? When you trade the stock market, when you purchase something from the supermarket or malls, what are you doing? You are actually trading. You are actually involved in this market, involved in that particular activity, trading activity. You are buying the product and you are using the product, and shopkeeper is selling the product and he's buying the product and selling to you. Okay, similar to that, in currency market, we will be dealing with currencies. We will be buying euro, we'll be buying the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen for the cheaper price. Okay, we'll be buying at cheaper prices and they will be selling that in a costlier prices. By the way, we'll be making a profit. In forex market, you can able to buy and sell. Similarly, you can able to sell and you can able to buy later. It's a two-way transaction, right? You can buy something for cheaper price and you can sell that in a costlier price, or you can sell something in a costlier price and you can able to buy it in a cheaper price. You can able to do that. All right, so it's a marketplace where we are dealing with the currencies. We are going to buy, sell the currencies. By the way, we are going to make the profit. Okay, now why we need to trade the forex market? What is the advantages, or why we have to trade the forex market? And everybody able to hear my voice? Is there any problem with my voice? Because I can see someone saying that audio is not coming. Everyone able to hear me properly? Okay. So if you guys getting any problem with my volume, I mean the voice, maybe you can exit and rejoin, because it's because of might be you'll be having some network issues. Okay. So exit the meeting and rejoin. All right. Okay. So why we need to trade the forex market? Why can't we trade other markets? The reason is, one thing you need to understand, forex market is easy to start. It is really easy to start, and especially nowadays there are the cryptocurrencies, right? Indian government is somewhat agreed to the cryptocurrencies. So that is the best thing if you are a forex trader. Okay, that's the best thing if you're a forex trader. I'll tell you the relationship between crypto and forex in a second half. Okay, so is it easy to start? First of all, if you have like an internet connection and mobile phone, or maybe computer, laptop, something, you can able to open an account immediately today itself, and the deposits, withdrawals, and these kind of stuffs also you can able to do immediately. And especially if you have limited amount of capital, like only you have 1,000 rupees, you can able to start. If you have 2,000 rupees, you can able to start. If you have 500 rupees, in that situation also you can able to start, because it is, as I told you guys, it is easy to start. And second thing is, it is the gateway of kickstart your trading career. If you want to become a stock market trader, if you want to become a currency market trader, if you want to become a cryptocurrency trader, right? So what you need to understand here is, if you are entering into the forex market, if you can able to understand the price movement, price action of the forex market, then you can able to survive any market. You can able to predict the any market movement, like stock market. You can able to trade stock market. You can able to trade cryptocurrencies. You can able to trade commodity market if you have an exposure with forex market. Why? Because in forex market, you'll be having the healthy price action. What do you mean by price action? The movement, the how currencies are moving, whether it is going up or going down. So if you can able to predict the forex market properly, or if you are putting effort to learn the forex market properly, then you can able to jump into the any market easily. Okay. In other words, if you can able to survive in this forex market, you will survive in any market in the world. Okay, so forex is the gateway because of its price action. Its price action is really good. The movement is really good. And last but not least, in forex market, you can able to trade with your own money. At the same time, you can able to trade with the funded money. What is funded money? We'll discuss in a second half in a detailed manner. Okay, so you can able to trade with your own money, and you can able to trade with other person's money. That is called funded money. There are platforms available ready to fund you guys. Okay, using their money you can able to trade. That is the best thing about the forex market, which is not available in the stock market. All right, so these are the reasons I'm suggesting you guys to trade the forex market. Okay, now let us see some advantages over stock market. Okay, can anyone tell me what is the difference between forex and stocks, or stock markets, or any other markets? Anyone have idea? Any idea why forex is superior than stock market? Any idea? Volume, yes. Great, Mr. Girish. Volume, weightage, okay. Liquidity, volume, yes. Volume is the one thing we have to accept, right? The money involved in this market is huge. in Forex market. Money involved is huge. And of course, leverage, exit limit, 24-hour open. That is obviously important points. Okay. Now I have a question for you guys. So what is the value of Forex traded daily? So I have an option here. You can see the poll. 1,323 billion and 6.6 trillion. Now, what is this? It is nothing but how much money involved in this market per day. Per day, how much money is involved in this market? So that is the question here. So you can try to answer. Let me give you. I'll give you some minutes to answer, you guys. Okay. So I can see more people are said 6.6 trillion, and some of you guys said 323 billion, 1 million, some of you guys said. Okay, one thing you need to understand, Forex market has huge money is circulating in this market. Okay, it's more than 6.6 trillion. Sometimes it can be 5 trillion, sometimes it can be 4 trillion, sometimes it can be 6 trillion, sometimes it can be 7 trillion, sometimes 10 trillion. There is no you cannot say that this much money is involved. You cannot fix the amount. More than 6.6 trillion transaction is happening. 6.6 trillion US dollar transaction is happening. Okay, if you compare this 6.6 trillion, the trading volume of Forex market with New York Stock Exchange, London Stock Exchange, Tokyo Exchange, you can see that Forex market has superior. It's superior than other three markets. Okay, so it is best. You can say that it's a father of all markets. Okay. Now, so benefits. So as I told you guys, it's have more than 6.6 trillion transactions. So the money circulation will be there every single day. So if you want to become a trader, if you want to become a day trader, intraday trader, or a swing trader, or a long-term trader, okay, first things first, you have to trade wherever money is circulating. You cannot trade where money is dormant. Okay, you have to trade the market which has more circulation of money, right? So one thing you need to understand, Forex market has more money, 6.6 trillion transactions happening. So every single day you'll be having the huge volume, so you can able to trade the market. So there is two consequences. One, you can able to make quick money, and two, you can able to lose all your capital in a quick manner. Okay, there is a risk associated with this business. So that's why I told you guys, if you become expert in this market, you can able to handle any market. Okay. And number two, it's a 24-hour market, right? You know that 24 hours time you are having, so you can able to trade anytime in a day in this market. But however, there are certain sessions are there, like London session, New York session, Asian session, right? So if you are trading on specific sessions, you can able to make a quick money. You can avoid certain sessions. So we'll be discussing about in the detailed manner in the second half, right? Mr. Sachin is saying that, but Forex unable to hold lifetime. No, it is not like that. See, it is not an investment option. Okay, if you want to enter into this business, you should forget about the investment aspect of the market. We are here for making money. We are not here for what do you call the generating the wealth. Okay, so wealth generation will be happening in the over the period of time. So suppose if you're purchasing the real estate today, after 10 years the value will be double up or triple up, but you have to wait for the 10 years, right? 10 years. You cannot buy real estate land today and you cannot sell tomorrow. If you're selling like that, then you will not get anything. You have to hold the position hold the investment for the longer period of time. But Forex is specifically for the short-term trading. Okay, but still you can able to hold the position for 1 or 2 months also. Okay, today you can buy, you can hold the position for the next month also. You can do that, but it's not an investment opportunity, right? Long-term buys and sell, swing trading you can able to do. You can do the investment, you can do the long-term trading. It's not an investment, it's a long-term trading you can do. Okay, and especially if you are a seller, there is no restriction for you guys. You can sell today whatever the margin is required for buying the position, the same margin is required for selling the position also. You can sell today and you can hold the position as long as you wish. There is no expiry here. Short selling is easily possible in the Forex market as compared with other markets. Okay, so it is good for the short-term gain. Maybe today you can buy, next week you can sell, or maybe next month you can sell, right? You can hold the position, you can do that, but it's not a stock market. In stock market, you are the owner of that company, you are a shareholder of that company. You can participate in the annual general meetings, and you can go to the, you can pass the resolutions, you can vote over there, you can do a lot of those things. And here it is not. Here you are just a trader. You are just buying and selling, that's it. Okay, you can buy today, sell today itself, or you can buy today, sell tomorrow, or you can buy today and you can sell next week. That is possible. So if you want to become a trader, and this is the platform. Stock market is not a trading platform. Okay, that's why people are trading in the options and futures thing. Stock market, you can only invest, you cannot trade. Even if you trade, you cannot make good money, right? And this is also have leverage, right? So if you are a stock trader, you should have the margin requirement. You should have the capital. Only then, enough capital, only then you can able to invest or trade the market. Whereas in the Forex market, if you have even if you have like 1,000 rupees or 5,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees, whatever the amount you are having, you can able to trade in this market using the leverage. Okay, now some of you guys may feel that leverage is riskier, it is danger, it's not good. Yes, of course, I can accept that, but one thing you need to understand here is the Forex market is Forex market don't have the settlement. Okay, there is no demat account here, only broker account. So if you are buying stocks, stock will be added into your demat account, and you will be you have the ownership of that stock. It will be settled into your account. Whereas if you are buying a currency, it will not settle in your account. You are not buying actual currency, you are not a owner of that currency, right? You are just buying currency in a digitally, and or we can say that you are just speculating the movement. Based on that, you are buying and selling, right? So that is what you are doing here. So even though if you choose highest leverage in the Forex market, once your account becomes zero, even if you are holding the position is going negative, or position will not go negative. First of all, once the position becomes zero, and your account is your account is blown, right? Nothing. You have $10, you have $10, you have spent all $10 for buying. You bought, but market goes reverse, sell. So it will be going minus, negative. Once it reached zero, your account reached zero, then everything is over. Okay, whereas in the stock market, even if your stock prices goes negative, if it goes negative, you have to pay that money. After sometimes you have to pay that money. Okay, whereas that is the thing, it is not available here. Once your account becomes zero, everything is zero. You are not entitled to pay anything else. Okay, so that's why the leverage system here in the Forex market is really good. All right, How long we can hold? How many months we can hold? To be frank, I'm a day trader. I'm an intraday trader. Maximum you can trade. I have held the position for the weeks. 2 weeks I have held the position. Okay, I have not holded for the monthly. Okay, so I cannot tell you that whether you can able to hold the position for month or not, but definitely you can able to hold the position for the at least 2 to 3 weeks. You can do that. And one important thing you need to understand here, whatever today you are buying, next week you are closing your positions. Okay, you will be making some profit, right? That same profit you can able to make in a intraday trading also. Whatever you are making in a week, you can able to make in a intraday also. Okay, that is possible. How I am saying it, because market will not go like straight up buy or sell. It will be go up, go down, go up, go down, right? So in this fluctuations, what can happen is, today you are buying at a bullish market, next week it is goes to bearish, means so you'll be end up with certain profit. The same profit you can able to make today itself. If you're holding for next 4 hours or 8 hours, you can able to do that. So you can buy today, you can sell tomorrow. Overnight holding, you can do that. But my suggestion is, you don't need to do that. You don't need to do the swing trading. Okay, but that is possible, but you don't need to do that in this market, right? All right, legal, illegal, I'm going to discuss with you. I'm going to discuss with you guys. Okay, right? Broker, legal, illegal, everything we are going to discuss. No, there is no expiry in this market. All right. Now, let's move on to the next slide. You know, one thing, guys, this COVID, I think it's coming back. You know, we have been hearing this things from the national medias. Okay, let's forget about that for now. Let's hope for the best. This forex trading during 2020, during the COVID situation only, people started to enter into this market, forex market. Okay, now more than 300% of account opening happened during that period only. Now the reason is, you know, trading in general, stock market, forex or cryptocurrencies, whatever happened through the world economy, war, pandemic, or economic recession, whatever happened, market will be like going up like this or going down like this, or it will be going like this. Okay, so this says that whatever happened, there will be impact in the markets, and the impact traders can make use of their own advantages. Okay, if market is going down, traders can sell and they can able to make money. If market is going up, traders can buy and they can make an advantage. If market is ranging, then traders can wait and they can look for the direction after the range breakout. Okay, so whatever happens, markets will be giving you the opportunity to make money. So that is the only one reason people are entered into the market during the 2020 COVID situation. Now, why I'm showing this right now, because next year there people are saying that, economists are saying that 2023 from April onwards we'll be having some recession. Not only we, world, and even multinational corporations are saying like that only. We'll be having recession, and we have to safeguard ourselves, right? And now, you know, we also got one more thing, that the Chinese virus is coming back again in a different form. So we'll be having next year, we don't know, this new year will be like good or bad, we don't know that yet. Okay, so if you know the trading, if you know the markets, at least you can safeguard yourself, right? Bitcoins, you can trade bitcoins, you can trade the cryptocurrencies, you can trade the forex market, if you can trade the stock market, if you know the trading, only if you know the trading, right? So put some effort, energy to learn the market, and try to survive in these kind of pandemic or kind of war kind of situation. Okay, that is the reason I'm showing this the slide. All right, right now, so we just covered about some basic comparison and some some basic information about the Forex, advantages, something like that we have discussed. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the currency pairs. We are jumping into the technical part or basic terminologies we are learning. We're going to learn the basic terminologies and followed by we'll be learning some technical analysis. Okay. All right. Now we are going to talk about the currency pairs. So we have over and above 90 currency pairs available all around the world. We have a lot of currencies, but in Forex market, we have more than 90 pairs available. But most of the brokers are offering 27 currency pairs. Okay. Out of these 27 currency pairs, we are going to focus only the 7 to 8. We have 7 to 8 major currencies. We are going to target only that. We have classified the currencies into major, minor, exotic. Okay. So if you're a complete beginner or if you're an experienced trader, just stick with the major currencies. Only major currencies we have to trade. Minor currencies, yes, you can trade, but why we need to spend a lot of time with all these currencies? One or maximum 3 to 4 currencies enough for making regular income. Okay, that can be a major currencies. Okay, if you're an experienced trader, you can trade major currencies. If you're a beginner trader, you can trade major currencies. If you're an experienced trader, you can trade minor currencies, but beginners don't trade minor, don't trade exotic. And no one, please, anyone, whether you are an experienced trader or you are a beginner trader, don't ever trade exotic currencies. Okay, exotic, it's as a name suggest, it's exotic. It's not good. Movement and momentum and or volume is not good at these currencies. Okay, so I have given some examples here. It's not a complete list. There's an example here. Okay, if you're a beginner, you have to trade major currency. If you're an experienced trader, you can trade major and minor currencies. Okay, and most importantly, if you are someone, anybody know this thing XAUUSD? Anybody know what is this currency or what is this? Yeah, gold, right? Gold, right? So gold is for two guys. Who can trade gold? Two guys can trade gold. Someone who have a lot of experience in the markets, you can trade gold. Okay. Or someone who has a lot of money, but who don't know how to spend the money, you can trade the gold. Okay. If you have a lot of money and you don't know how to spend your money, then you can trade gold. Or if you have a lot of experience, then you can able to trade the gold. Okay. Only beginners don't jump into the gold, right? And you have one more thing, XAUUSD. This is called silver. Okay. Gold is far better than silver. Don't ever trade silver. Please don't trade silver, especially if you're a beginner. Don't trade. Okay, gold you can trade, but if you have enough experience, you can always trade the gold. All right. Now, question here. Yep, it's very, very risky. Which is most safe? Most safest currencies, Euro USD. Euro USD, GBP USD. These currencies are very, very safe. I mean, every currency is risky, but there is no stable currencies, but you can trade somewhat. Okay, right. Now can you guys see the two currencies joined, Euro USD? Why the two currencies joined together? AUD USD. Why two currencies joined? GBP USD. Anyone have idea why two currencies has been joined? Value exchange between the deals of the two current countries. Yep, great. Exchange is also correct. Okay, I'm going to give you some layman approach. Okay, major economies, great. Currency, deal and exchange. Okay, let's see some layman approach. Okay, suppose you want to purchase something, so you are going to the supermarket to purchase the groceries, right? So what will you do? You purchased the groceries, and you'll be giving you the currency, right? You'll be giving 1,000, 2,000 rupees. And in one hand, you are purchasing the groceries. In other hand, you are giving the money to the shopkeeper, right? So what are you doing here? You are exchanging the money for the products. Am I right? You are exchanging the money for the products, or product for the money, whatever. Am I right? Here in currency markets, we are exchanging the currency for currency. Okay. In other words, the first currencies, Euro, USD, GBP, USD, right? These currencies are called as, you can call this as a product. Okay, product. Second currency is the price which you are paying for purchasing the product or selling the product, whatever, or exchanging the product. Okay, first currency is your product, second currency is your price which you are paying for the product, or at this price you are selling the product. At this price you are buying the product, at this price you are selling the product. Okay, the first currency are your product, right? If you are buying a Reliance stock, Reliance Industry stock, right, you are purchasing the ownership of the Reliance, right? You are purchasing the ownership of the Reliance. All right. Similarly, when you purchase, using your currency, you are purchasing the ownership of the Reliance. Here you are purchasing the first currency using the second currency. Here you are not purchasing the ownership, you are just expecting that the first currency will be going up. That's why you are purchasing. Okay, why we are purchasing the stocks, shares? Why we are purchasing the shares? Number one, today the share price is cheaper, and if I buy today, tomorrow it will be going up. Then I can sell, I can make the profit. That is number one reason. Number two reason, I'm going to be part of the shareholder. I'm the owner of that company. You can say like that, right? Here, similarly here, why we are buying Euro USD? We are expecting Euro will be going up. That's why I'm buying today. Using US dollar, the second currency. Using the second currency, I am buying the first currency. Why I'm selling Euro USD? Because I realized that Euro had no value. So I'm selling Euro and exchanging US dollar. Or I can say I'm selling Euro, I am buying US dollar. Okay. So whether you are selling, buying the currencies, okay, whether you are buying or selling the currency, you are buying or selling the first currencies. Second currency is just a what do you call, you can say the exchange value, or you can say the price. Okay, so using the second currency, you are buying or selling the first currency. That's it. That is what it means. Okay, so you can see here, in a trading term, we call that first currency as a base currency, which is base asset for you. It's an asset you are going to buy. You are going to buy Euro using US dollar. You are going to sell Euro using US dollar. Okay, right? So here I have given the value. It's a old value. Okay, so what do you mean by the value? Euro USD equal to 1.1302, which is nothing but, if I want to buy 1 euro, I need to give 1.1302 US dollar. Okay, it's a value of this. This is the value of 1 euro as compared to this currency. Okay, that's why we have given. You know the US dollar INR, right? USD INR value is something around 80 rupees, right? I'm not sure, 82 rupees, somewhere around 82 rupees, right? So what do you mean by 82 rupees? What do you mean by 82 rupees? Nile Sharo, I am sorry if I mispronounce your name. If I predict the euro down, then I could, currency could be anything. No, if I understand properly, if I predict the euro down movement, I can able to do other ways like that you are asking? If you are asking like that, yes, some point of time you can do that, but some extent you can do that because other factors also there we have to consider. Other factors. Okay. Yep. $1 is equal to 82 Indian rupees. If you wanna buy $1, you need to give 82 Indian rupees. Earlier it was 75 rupees, right? Back then, couple of months before, it was 75 rupees. So whether the dollar value is Indian rupees is increased or decreased, the value of Indian rupees is increased or decreased. Sachin, we have not expected any war, right? We are not living in the war scenario, so that is a hypothetical question. Okay, but you know the Ukraine-Russia war was happened, right? It's happening still. Ukraine-Russia war. During that time, market was having some zigzag movement. Everything was like gap up, gap downs. Lot of things happened, but still it was like safe. Okay. Yes, Indian value is decreased, right? Decreased. Okay. All right. So I hope this is clear, right? So it's nothing but if I buy first currency, very in a simple language, if I buy this Euro USD, which means I'm buying Euro, I'm selling US dollar. Okay. If I sell Euro USD, which means I'm selling Euro and buying US dollar. Okay, it's simple. If you go to the supermarket, you are purchasing something, means you are getting that thing and you are selling, you are buying the product and you are selling your currency. The same logic apply here. All right. Now, so we have Forex account types. We have a lot of brokers available. We'll discuss about the broker in the second half. A lot of brokers available, and these brokers are having different products. Like they have different account types, but most of the brokers have the 3 account types, and they have a different name for that account type accounts. Okay. Some people call that standard account. Some call that as a ultra account, superior account. There are different names, but commonly we have 3 account types. We have standard account, mini account, micro account, or you can say standard lot, mini lot, micro lot. Now, what do you mean by lot? First of all, you need to understand one thing. You cannot purchase $1. You cannot purchase one Japanese yen. You cannot purchase one Canadian dollar. Okay. If you go to the ATM, can you withdraw 1 rupee from the ATM? Or can you withdraw 1 rupee from bank? Right? They will not give you. They can give you because it's your money, but they'll be charging the charges, right? No ATM, you cannot withdraw the 1 rupee, right? So similarly, if you want to trade the currency market, Forex market, you cannot buy $1, 1 Japanese yen. You cannot do that. Okay. You can buy $1,000, 10,000 $, 1 lakh $, or you can say 2,000 $, 3,000 $, 2,500, 3,500, 4,500. Anything above 1,000, you can able to do that. You can able to buy, and we can also buy $100, $100, 100 Japanese yen, 100 Canadian dollar. You can able to do that also. Some brokers offers that facility, but most of the brokers tells you that you can able to buy $1,000, 1,000 euro, 1,000 Japanese yen, 10,000 Japanese yen, 1 lakh Japanese yen, 1 lakh British pound. If you want to trade in this market, you have to buy either one of these lot sizes. You can trade micro lot, you can trade mini lot, you can trade standard lot. What do you mean by micro lot? If you purchase 1,000 currencies, you are buying a micro lot, 1 micro lot. If you are purchasing 2,000 currencies, you are buying 2 micro lots. If you are purchasing 10,000 currencies, You are purchasing one mini lot. Okay, so it is like Bank Nifty. You know that Bank Nifty we can able to purchase. If you are buying Bank Nifty futures, you'll be buying the 25 units, right? A lot size of Bank Nifty. 1 lot, 2 lot, 3 lot. You can purchase 1 lot Bank Nifty, 1 lot Nifty 50. What do you mean by the lot size? It's a number of units, right? In other words, or in a layman approach, you cannot purchase one rice from the shop. You can able to purchase 1 kilo rice, but you cannot purchase one rice, right? One rice don't have the value, right? Similarly, you have to trade in a lot sizes. If you want to trade the currencies, you can trade micro lot, mini lot, standard lot. Okay, now depends upon your capital, you can trade. Suppose you are having $100 capital, we are starting your account with $100, then you can able to obviously trade micro lots. You can able to trade mini lots also. Okay, if you're starting with $500 capital, you can purely trade mini lots, and certain standard lots you can able to trade. If you're starting with $1,000 capital, you can able to trade standard lot. So it depends upon the capital, depends upon the leverage. You can able to trade either micro, mini, standard lots. Beginners should start with micro lots. You have to start with micro lots. All right. Now here I have mentioned PIP, PIP, PIP. PIP is nothing but just a points. Okay, points. In stock market, we are calling this as a tick. How much Bank Nifty moved? How many ticks Bank Nifty moved? How many ticks Nifty 50 moved today? So that's how we will be using the tick word in the stock market. Here we are using the PIP. PIP is nothing but percentage in points or price interest point. Or you can simply say it's a points. It's a points. Okay. Suppose you purchased one standard lot of Euro USD. Okay, you purchased one standard lot of Euro USD, and price is going up. Price is going up. So if you see for every 1 point movement, for example, you purchased at 100 rupees. Now it's become 101 rupee. Okay, you can say 1 pip movement happened. For this 1 pip movement, 1 point movement, you'll be making $10 profit. If you purchase a standard lot, and for every 1 pip movement, you'll be making $10 profit. Okay. If you purchased the mini lot, every 1 pip movement, 1 point movement, you'll be making $1 profit. If you purchased the micro lot, for every 1 point movement, you'll be making 10 cents profit. Okay. So how much I can able to make money? It depends upon how much you are investing, how much leverage you have taken, which lot you are trading, how many lot you are trading, how many pips you are captured. Depends upon that, your profit will be changing. And finally, which pair you are trading. Are you trading Euro USD? Are you trading AUD USD? Are you trading gold? Depends upon the pair also, the profit will be changing. All right. So in the second half, I'll explain about the PIP more. If you're not understood properly, I'll explain the PIP thing once again in the second half. Okay. Now we can jump into the strategy. All right. I will discuss about the platform also. We'll discuss about the platform strategy. We are going to discuss the strategy right now, and then we'll be discussing about the platform, legal, illegal, how we can trade, what broker we can choose, which platform we can trade. Everything I'll be discussing. Right. All right. So I hope everyone knows this, right? Everyone knows this. These two things. If anybody doesn't know or never seen this in your life, if you never see this in your life, please type no. Everyone aware about this? I'm not asking whether you know everything about this. I'm just asking whether have you seen this? That's why I'm asking. Have you seen this? Okay, we have 3 no's. Great. Great. 4 no's. Okay, great. Then I'll explain. So those who are said no, I hope everyone in school days you would have studied the mathematics, right? Mathematics, you have one chapter called graph, right? A graph paper will be there where you will be using your pencil, x-axis, y-axis, 0. You would have done some equation solving thing, right? X squared plus 2xy kind of thing you would have solved, and you would have put some dots, right? And you would have used your pencil, connected those dots, right? And you got 10 marks, 20 marks in mathematics, right? Okay. So today we don't know when we was doing this problem, we don't know where we are going to apply this thing in our life. Okay, today you will be know why we learned this mathematics in school days, because we are going to apply this in our life in the form of trading. Okay, so let me share my screen. Now this is called TradingView platform, tradingview.com. The website is tradingview.com, and please don't pay for this website. Okay, there's a paid version, there's a free version available. Never ever pay for this website. Save your money and deposit that money into the broker account. Okay, don't pay for this. It is not worth. Once you learn the smart money concepts, it is not gonna help you. Okay, so this is a tradingview.com where you can see the graph paper of every single currency. Every single currency's graph paper you can see here, or every single stocks, shares, commodity, cryptocurrencies, movement or graph paper you can able to see here. In a right hand side you have a y-axis, in a bottom you have a x-axis. Okay, x-axis, y-axis. In y-axis you have a price, in x-axis you have a volume, date, time. Volume, date and time. Okay, we are seeing the candlesticks in between. What is candlesticks? Candlesticks is nothing but it's a chart, it's a tool. Instead of dots in the graph paper, we are using the candlesticks. Okay, so here you can see the green color candle, red color candle. Why it has been called as candle? Because it's look like a candle, right? You can see that Christmas is approaching, so you can see that it's look like a green color Christmas candle or birthday candle, red color Christmas candle. Okay, so that's why it's been called as candles. Now green color means buying candle. Whenever you see the green color, it's a buying candle. Okay, so, or you can say it's an ascending candle. Ascending candle means it will be start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It will be going like that. Okay, red color candle is the selling candle, or you can say the bearish candle. Bearish candle. The green color candle is bullish candle or buying candle. Red color is the bearish candle or selling candle. Normally the red color candle is a descending candle. It will start from the 100, 99, 98 like that, or maybe 10, 9, 8, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 like that, descending candle. So which means the green color candle will be start from the lowest price from the bottom, and it will go up. That's why we are calling this a bullish candle, buying candle or ascending candles. Red color candle will start from the top and go down. Okay, it's a bearish candle or selling candle, right? So we are trying to establish the relationship between price, date, time, volume at this particular price, at this particular date. Okay, at this particular date, what was market is doing? Market is creating bearish candles or bullish candles. Okay, that is how the graph paper is working, right? So at this particular date, at this particular price, at this particular time, what was market is doing? Market is buying or selling? Market is selling. So market will be bearish. So like that, we will be establishing the relationship and we will be trading the market. So green means buy candle, red means sell candle. That's it. You don't need to over complicate the candlesticks. Okay. If you want to over complicate, it will take another 1 or 2 hours to discuss about the candlesticks, but that is not required. Buying candle green, selling candle red. That's it. Right. Now, I have a question. Once you open the chart, experienced traders, maybe you can tell, what is the first thing you will do? You opened this chart. What is the first things you will do? Will you buy? Will you sell? Or what you will do? As soon as you open the chart, okay, what is the first thing you will do? Okay, we'll see the trend. Great. We'll see the trend. Go to the daily time frame and analyze the trend, movement, multi-frame analysis, multi-time frame analysis. Okay, set the time frame, fix the time frame. Okay, great. Okay, you will be finding support and resistance lines, right? All right, trend. Okay, first things first, we need to find the trend. What do you mean by trend? Trend is nothing but whether market is in a long term, it is in a buying trend or in a selling trend. Whether it is how it is going, whether it is going in a buying trend or in a selling trend. Only then you can able to buy. If it is a buying trend, you will be buy. If it is a selling trend, you will be selling. Okay, there are a lot of ways to find the trend. You can use Fibonacci, you can use support and resistance, you can use the trend lines, you can use moving averages, you can use the smart money method, right? A lot of methods are available. Today, since we have a lot of beginners today, so we are going to learn some very basic trend finding method using the moving average indicator. Now, some of you guys feel that moving average indicator is not going to work. That is a lagging indicator. Indicators are lagging. It's a failure. I do get that. I do get that because I know I don't use any indicators. But today we are going to learn the smart money strategy. We are going to combine the smart money strategy with the moving average. We are not going to trade the market using moving average alone. Okay, we are going to combine the smart money strategy with moving averages. By the way, we'll be trading. And second off, we are going to refine this setup. Whatever we are going to learn today now, we'll be refining that in the second half. Okay, by the way, we can avoid some fake movements, fake failures. Okay, so we are going to do that also. All right, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to plot moving average indicator. Now, there's an indicator option here in this platform. Okay, just click the indicator option. You'll be having the box where you can search moving average. Okay, you can pretty much use any moving average. Simple moving average, weighted moving average, smooth moving average, exponential moving average. A lot of moving average varieties available. You can use anything. Okay, adaptive moving average, anything you can use. But today we are going to use moving average exponential. There is no specific reason. So we are going to use moving average exponential today. Click this. As soon as you click, you can see a line here in the chart. And you can see EMA 9. There's an indicator plotted here. Okay. And we are going to choose 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes time frame. Just click the 15 minutes time frame. Okay. So now we are going to change the settings a little bit. So what I'm going to do here is go to the settings. In this indicator, you have a settings button. So go to the settings. I'm pretty sure most of you guys knows this. Okay. So here there is an option called style, where you can choose the color. Here it is mentioned blue color. So whatever color you want, you can choose. I'm choosing green. I'm increasing the size a little bit, right? Then I'm going to choose inputs. Click the inputs. So here a lot of options available. You have a second option called length, which mentioned 9. So take that as a 20. Change that as a 20, right? Clicking OK. So successfully you have added one indicator, which is exponential 20 period exponential moving average. Now we are going to add one more indicator. Click again indicators, search moving average. Now I'm going to tell you something here, guys. If you guys know how to find the trend, experienced trader, if you already know how to find the trend, you can use your own method also. I'm teaching this for only for the beginners. Okay, experienced trader, you can use your own method to find the trend. Okay, so again choosing moving average and exponential. So once again a blue line is added in the chart, in the graph. So you have exponential moving average 9. Click the settings. Now this time I'm going to change the length to 200. Okay, I'm going to change the length into 200. All right, and I'm going to change the color a little bit so that everyone can see properly. So black color, increase the size a little bit. Okay, so I have added 2 moving averages. Now one thing you notice here, the 2 lines are crossing each other so many times. So that is really annoying whenever you see this kind of crossings like this. Okay, like this, stay away from that market. Okay, stay away from that. We'll learn that in another day, some other day. Right, now what does it take here? We have added 200 period moving average and 20 period moving average. First things first, we are using the traditional method. Whenever the price, the candles goes above the moving averages. For example, here the candles are above the green, the candles are above the black. Okay, so in this situation you will be buying the market. I'll tell you where exactly you need to buy. Okay, similarly, if you see here, price is going below the green and black, you will be selling the market. Just keep it that in your mind, selling the market. Okay, but what if it is goes like this? Avoid this market. You can trade this in a different way. Avoid this market. You want to see price to go below the candles or price go above the candles. For example, let's go to the back. Most recently all the USD pairs are kind of ranging so that we couldn't be able to see. Now you can see here, if you see something like this, you will be buying. From where you'll be buying, I'll tell you. Okay, and if similarly, if you see something like this, let's see, do I have yeah, maybe like this. This is a perfect selling point, and this is also a selling point. Okay, you will be selling, and this situation you'll be buying. Okay, this is only for finding the trend. Not, you are not going to blindly buy, you are not going to blindly sell. That is, we are not going to do. All right, so let me share my PDF once again. So this is what I have given in the form of theory, right? If price goes above EMA, we are in a buy market or uptrend. If price goes below EMA, we are in a sell market or downtrend. All right. Now we are going to learn the smart money swing point strategy. Smart money swing point strategy we are going to learn. Okay, so Anybody know what is swing high and swing low? Anybody know what is swing high and swing low? Swing high, swing lows. Okay, no problem. So today we are going to learn smart money swing points. Okay, this is, you can use Forex, commodities, cryptos, and equities. Whatever market you can use. Equities, there is a one thing you need to understand. I'll talk about that later. Okay. All right. Now swing points, we are going to identify the in the chart, and we are going to trade from the swing points. Swing highs or swing lows are nothing but a swing points. Or let me show you. Swing points are the major levels at which smart money is involved. How many of you know what is smart money? What is smart money? Anybody know what is smart money? Do you guys ever heard about the smart money? FIAs? No. HNIs are fraction of smart money. Big traders, institutions, banks, yes. Big investor is still, it's an individual person, right? Investor, FIAs are, you can tell that they can affect the market, but they cannot influence the market. Okay, Elon Musk. Have you heard about the Elon Musk? Have you heard about the Dogecoin? Elon Musk and Dogecoin, what is the connection? Anybody knows that story? I think it's happened last year. I'm not sure. I don't remember the dates. Just go and try check in the Google. What's the connection between Elon Musk and Dogecoin? Yeah, he made the coin to the bull. He's not a smart money. He's not a smart money, but he's the smartest genius, right? So he's not an operator, but people are operating because he's an influencer. Okay. Yep. He influenced the market. All right. Okay. So one thing you need to understand, swing points are the major level where smart money is involved. When I say smart money, it can be a bank, insurance companies, investment companies. It can be investment banks, central banks, governments, export import organizations, corporations, multinational corporations, hedge funds, mutual fund companies, and you can have brokers, big brokers. They are involved at certain levels. Okay, so every swing low will be look like this. This is called swing low. This is called swing high. Okay, this can be any color, any size. That doesn't really matter. All you need to see is you need to find this pattern in the chart. If you see this pattern in the chart, you can be bullish in the particular currency. You can buy the particular currency. Okay, if you see this pattern, you can say that market is bearish. Market will be bearish. How we will be trading, where we'll be trading, I'll be telling you right now. Now, let me share my screen once again. Okay, let us see this one. Let us see the recent chart. Recent chart, we don't have proper setups, but it's okay. We'll see that. Okay. So, do I have a buy market? Yes. First things first, you need to ensure that price should be above EMA, above EMAs. Only then you have to buy. Okay. If you want to buy, you want to see this pattern. First candle look like this. Second candle look like this. Third candle look like this. Okay. You want to see this pattern, including the wick. including the candle wicks like this. Okay, you may say that, sir, it's a evening star, morning star, or you can say that what do you call it? Inverted hammer, uh, uh, hanging man, inverted head and shoulders, like that you can say. But just forget all those names. You don't want to call this in a different names. Different names will be creating the confusions. Okay, we have to be define the trading in a simplified manner. We don't want to confuse ourselves. Okay, it is a swing low. This is called swing low. And if you see something like this, that is called swing high. Okay, now what you need to see here is you need to find this pattern in the bullish market. Now just see this one. Do you guys see 1, 2, 3? This 3 candle look like this. Or you guys agree with me? You don't see the top. Okay, don't see the top. Just see the bottom, because it's a bullish market, right? It's a bullish market. Just see the bottom. It's look like this, or maybe you can call like it look like this, right? But I'm talking about only the bottom, not top. Am I right? Am I right? Okay. 15 minutes. We are choosing 15 minutes, right? Or if you are not able to find this, I'll tell you the another method. Okay. And similarly, here, do you see this one? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Similarly, let us see the top. Here in the top, 1, 2, 3. It's look like kind of Trishul, right? Or if you are not able to find this, I suggest everyone please see my camera. Everyone please see my camera. Okay, I'm gonna show you something. Everyone please see my camera. Can you see my fingers? Right, you can see my fingers. First candle, second candle, third candle. Okay, if you see this pattern, not the bottom, only the top elevation you need to see. Okay, if you see this pattern, you are going to sell the market. You are going to sell the market. From where you are going to sell the market? Now tell me, among the 3 fingers, which finger is tallest finger? Middle, right? Middle one is the tallest. So he's the tallest guy, right? Okay, keep it that in your mind. Okay, now similarly, I'm reversing my 3 fingers. Okay, so this is first candle, second candle, third candle. If you see this elevation like this, it's look like a U, right? Alphabet U. Okay, or V, you can say V or U, right? If you see this pattern, you are going to buy the market. And this candle was this finger was the tallest finger. Now the same finger is shortest finger, right? Same finger is shortest. If you have floor, the floor he's touching first. Okay, he's the shortest guy. Okay, just remember that, right? Now in this 3 candle, 1, 2, 3, it's look like my reversed fingers in the bottom elevation. I'm only talking about these 3. 1, 2, 3. It's like U, alphabet U, right? So this second candle is my shortest candle, my middle finger, shortest candle, right? So what you need to do, one thing you need to understand, for this strategy, you should have patience. Patience is required. A lot of patience is required. Okay, now this guy is the shortest guy. What you need to do is just take a rectangle box here and mark this entire middle candle. Okay, and extend this box. Okay, now what happened? Just see. Just see what happened. After this formation, price gone above, touched this box, gone above, right? Now you may feel that, sorry, it's only small movement, what it's going to give you, right? Let us measure how much is given. Let's see, let's take the measurement tool. So it given almost 200 points. Now in this strategy, we are using the EMA. So that is a one drawback here. Okay. So you should not capture more than 200 points. 200 points should be your maximum target. Okay. You should buy from here. Buy entry from here. And your stop loss should be below this level, stop loss. Okay. And your target should be maximum of 200 point, maximum 100 to 200 point. Okay, 100 to 200 point. Now you may feel that 100 to 200 point, what is the profit? If you are trading 200 points, if you are trading micro lot, it will give you $2. It's not much. If you are trading mini lot, it will give you $20. If you are trading standard lot, it will give you $200. Okay. So one thing, why I am keen on 200 points. One thing you need to understand, these markets, the Forex market, ready to offer you 200 point every single time. Okay. There will be a markets like, see, if you see the Bank Nifty will be giving you at least in a normal day, it will be giving you 100 to 400 point movement. That is the maximum it can give you. In some days, it will give you 800 points. Sometimes it will give you 1000 points. Sometimes it will be giving you the 600 points. But on an average, certain currencies, certain stocks will give you this much average, like 5% per day, 2% per day, like that. Currency pairs, especially the major currency pairs, all the major currency pairs easily can give you 200 point every single time. Okay, 100 to 200 point. That is a one aspect. The second aspect, there is a psychology behind that. I'll explain that in the second half. Okay, so you have to buy from here and close your position. Close your position when it is reached 200 point or 100 point. Okay, now you can see here there is a one more swing point, right? Gone up, touched here, and it given some point. It's not a crazy point. Let's measure how much it's given. Okay, it's given only 100 point. 100 point. That's okay. Now here you have a swing point, the same pattern, reversed pattern, but here it is failed, right? It's failed. How can I avoid that? Don't worry, I'll teach you that. I'll teach you in the second half. Okay. In the second half, we will be refining this strategy. When we refine this strategy, you will come to know that. Okay, we can avoid some failures, right? Similarly, let's see some selling example. Now you need to understand this is the complete ranging market. Within the ranging market, taking this kind of entry it's kind of very difficult task. Okay, so let me show you the selling example in the recent chart. Let's see whether you have any recent developments. No, we don't have any development here. We have only the ranging market here. Market is like, the EMA is like hugging each other. So you don't have any signal here. Let's leave this. Now let's see the selling example. Just see this one. Do you see the pattern? 1, 2, 3. It's look like your 3 fingers. Okay, the middle finger is tallest finger, or middle candle is tallest candle. So mark with the box. What happened? Price fell down, came back, touched here, going down. You will be selling from here, putting stop loss above and capturing only 200 points, not more than 200 points, because we are using EMAs. That's why. All right. Now let's see some different pair. then we'll, or let's see this one. Let's remove the EMA. Just remove the EMA. Let's remove the all EMAs. Just see the price action. See this one. Swing point. Touched here, fell down, right? Just delete this. See this one. 1, 2, 3, swing point. Let's mark this. Price did not come back. So far, it has not come back. Okay. It will come back sometime. When price touch here, you can sell. And see this one. 1, 2, 3. Right? So second candle you need to mark like this. Extend. See this one. Touched, fell down. Right? So, and here it is failed. Here it is failed. I'll tell you how you can avoid this. So without EMA also, you can able to mark these. You can see that it's working here. And you can see that, let's see the bullish example. Swing point. Right? Now it's happened right now. Just 15 minutes before. Price touched here and you can see some bullish movement. Okay, but here we don't have the direction. We are not using any directional method. Okay, and see this one. Touched here. You got some good move, some small movement. So it's 160 point movement. That is enough for you guys. 150, 160 points is enough. All right. So let me show you the rules once again so that you can make a note of this. Right. First things first, you have to add 20 and 200 EMA in the chart. That is, or you can use any method to find the trend. That's up to you guys. You can use any other method to find the trend. So here today is a basic session, beginner session. So we have used 20 and 200 EMA. You can use 15 minutes to 1 hour time frame. 1 hour is really great. Then 15 minutes. So choose 1 hour time frame. That is good. And you need to find the swing point. That's the thing you need to do. Okay. So for buy, price should go above 20 and 200 EMA. It should go above 20 and 200 EMA. Let's zoom in a little bit in this chart. See here, it is gone above 20 and 200 EMA, and you can mark this, what you call the swing point like this. So after price gone up, price will come back, touch here, go up. Okay, it worked here. Let's see this one. This is not touched yet. Okay, let's see this one. This is touched here. This is failed here. So we can what do you call? Refine this. I'll tell you that. Okay. So similarly, let's see this one, the bottom one. This is the biggest swing point. See the big swing point. So we cannot mark this because the stop loss will be higher. But price touched over there and gone above, right? Okay. And similarly, you need to mark the swing point. This is a different example. See, this is the swing point. This is also swing point. 1, 2, 3. It's a big swing point. Okay, you can mark like this. Then you mark only the middle candle, the shortest candle. Wait for the price to come back, touch, then buy from over there. Now, here stop loss is high. What we can do? We can avoid this. If you see this kind of big stop loss, you can avoid the setup because you will be getting the another setup. Now see this one. You have 1, 2, 3. Price touched here, gone up. Right? You can use this swing point also. Right? Okay. So technically, we are not refining this. We have not refined this so far. So you will be simply buying from here and putting stop loss here, and you'll be capturing 200 points, not a pips, 200 points. You'll be capturing 200 points maximum, right? Or you can target the recent swing high, this high, till this high you can target. But my suggestion is 200 point. There is a reason behind that. I'll tell you that. Okay. And similarly, let's see the sell example. Let's see the sell example. Okay. So we have 220 EMA plotted. Now see this one. I have a different example here. So there is a swing point. This is my swing point. Okay. It is not touched so far, but it touched here. Okay. Sorry about the bad drawing. Touched here and fell down, right? And followed by you have a swing points. Now you have a swing point here. This is a big swing point. Okay. So this swing point is tested here. Fell down. Okay. Again, you got a swing point here. Touched here, fell down. So in a trending market, it works amazingly well. But ranging market, you have to be really careful. Okay. Ranging market will be using the different setup. Right. In the second half, I'll tell you how to refine this. So when you know that, you can able to trade you can able to avoid the ranging markets. Right. So here is another example. So swing point, 3 candle I have marked. Then I marked only the middle candle, which is the middle finger, right? With a box. So price fell down, came back, touched here, fell down. Right. So you can sell from over there, put stop loss over there. So you can try this in a different pairs also, different markets also. Sell entry here, sell entry here, stop loss here. And you will be capturing till this low or 200 points, whichever is okay for you. For me, 200 points is enough. If you want to trade, you have to trade with the 200 points. All right. So this is how we'll be trading with the swing point strategies. This is the part of smart money strategy, the piece of smart money strategy. Okay. Now in the second half, it's coming. So in the second half, I'm going to tell you how we can refine this, and in second half, I'm going to tell you how we can trade legally from India, and also what are the complications with the brokers and everything we'll be discussing in the second half. All right. So if you have any questions related to the swing point strategy, don't worry. In the second half, I'm going to explain this once again. All right. Meanwhile, I would like to ask you guys a question. Just give me a second. Let me see. One moment. Okay, pips and points. I'll explain. Okay, pips and points. What's the logic behind the pattern? The logic behind the pattern is smart money. The logic behind the pattern is smart money. If I want to explain that, it will take another 1 week. Okay. So because a lot of things you need to understand, only then you will be understanding that that logic. Okay. Now I have a question for you guys. So whatever we have learned so far is just a piece of smart money strategy. Now I have a question for you. How many of you guys are interested to learn complete smart money strategies? Complete smart money strategy from the scratch, from the what do you call, from the zero. Okay. I know some of you guys are interested, but one thing you need to understand, as I told you guys, the logic behind the 3 candle is smart money, and learning that thing, it's not gonna, we cannot teach you today straightforward, because it will take at least 8 to 12 hours to explain all those concepts. So that is the reason we have designed the bootcamp, which starts from January 9th. Starts from the January 9th, where we will be learning the market cycles and market structures, supply and demand. And from Wednesday onwards, from the 11th of January, we'll be learning the smart money concept from the basics to smart money concept advanced. thing. We'll be learning these things in upcoming boot camp, and final day we'll be learning the fundamental analysis about the forex, and in between we'll be having some assignments. We'll be giving the assignments also. Okay, Shweta will be explaining about the details about the smart money concept and the boot camp, everything. Shweta, over to you. You can explain this. After that, we can discuss about the other refinement and other things. Over to you, Shweta.
All right. Thank you, sir. I hope my screen is visible. Okay. So right now, what I'll do is that I'll request student if they can also take a screenshot of this calendar so that you guys will be, updated with the workshop. And I know most of you have queries which will be answered in the second half because the class is not over yet. In the second half, we still have the same strategy to refine. So we'll do that in the second half. So up till now, what I'm doing is that I'll take your review. I'll take your small feedback of today's session. Now that you have invested more than 1.5 hours, I'll love to know how has been your experience up till now. I know for a fact students who are absolute beginner, it might be a little overwhelming because we still haven't covered the whole strategy in a very like precise manner. We have to devote time, we have to refine the strategy, and there are other things as well which we need to cover so that it will be easier for you as well to implement and see how it is working in the market or not. So you can rate your experience on a scale of 1 to 10. 10 being you're most likely to be part of the community, you are enjoying the session, you would recommend other friends, family, your colleague. And if you would want to stay updated with all such workshops we plan in future, especially for beginners like all of us, it will be informed to you. So this is what we have covered up till now. We have just covered the basic, we have just covered the piece of smart money concept. Before that, we discussed some basic terminologies which is involved and it is needed to understand about forex trading. In the second half, we're going to cover the refinement of the strategy, how you can refine the strategy. Furthermore, we will be talking about trade, risk management, and psychology pointers. And then we'll also be covering in depth what is the funded account platform, how you can trade professionally, and how you can make this as your full-time career. So this ultimate boot camp is for the students who would want to take this journey ahead in a field of forex trading. We will be provide This is the premium WhatsApp group which you guys will be added in, and you'll become a part of lifetime community. So we will be providing you lifetime support during the workshop, during the boot camp, and even when the boot camp ends, which is after the boot camp. So what is the course of content? It will be very simple. We'll learn from scratch, from the very basic. We are going to start from smart money concept. Our main focus will only be on smart money concept alongside price action. Um, we have finding best setup which is applicable in stock and crypto as well. So whatever you're learning today, whatever setup you're which we are providing you today in today's session is applicable in crypto and stock market as well. Generating returns in just 1 hour is possible, but it also requires your involvement in the market. Whatever we will be providing you in the bootcamp, there will be some assignments which we, expect our student to do and share their results and if they have any confusion, if you're stuck anywhere, feel free to reach out to us, and you'll get guidance on how to take trade with funded account as well. There will be some live classes as well, wherein like everything will be live. The concepts which we are going to teach you in a same manner, it is going to be live. There will be one dedicated session devoted, will be devoting to taking live trades with all of you students, because understanding and applying it in the market is two different things. Objective of the bootcamp is again okay. Objective of the bootcamp is very simple. We will be taking 10 trades during the bootcamp itself using the strategy which will be provided to you during the bootcamp only. You can also create your own edge in the market. So when we say you can create your own edge in the market, we mean that whatever strategy which you are, following, if you're comfortable with any indicator, you can follow that and continue with that as well. You can also, learn strategies to clear funded account challenge. Whatever smart money concept strategy which we are going to provide you during the bootcamp, you can apply the same in clearing the FTMO or any funded account challenge. So what I'll do is that students who are interested in joining the bootcamp, I'll also show you the result of our student. So that way you can have a confidence that whatever things which we are teaching in our previous batches, students are still active and are still, clarifying their doubts if they have any. Everything will be live. Moreover, if you miss out with any live class, the recording will be provided to you. You'll have lifetime access of these recording. And what I'll do is that I'll come to the pricing part. Okay, so like I mentioned, recordings will be provided to you. Live trading classes will be taken along with Muthu Kanan sir. Lifetime support and mentorship. Even now, we are still in contact with all the students, all the past batches, and you will be added in a premium WhatsApp group. Okay, now the original cost of this bootcamp is 5,000. But now that you have devoted your valuable time, if you enroll during the masterclass, you can avail the benefit of discounted price. At 2,999, you'll be able to enroll for the bootcamp. The class timing will be 7 p.m. till 10:30. Depending upon your questions, the topic which we are discussing, if it is important and if your doubts are if you have any doubts, we will stretch up till 3 to 4 hours. And now the first 10 early birds will be receiving the discounted price. Over and above, you will also be receiving free ebooks. So the every resource material, every ebook will be provided to you during the bootcamp. You need not to, put your own effort in finding the right information or right knowledge. I've pushed the link in the chat box of enrollment. You can Students who are interested can proceed with their enrollment. Make sure that you fall under the category of first 10 enrollments. I've also shared the UPI ID and Akshay phone pay number of phone pay or Google Pay number of Mr. Akshay Gulati, who is the founder of the Future University. Now you can see this is also a workshop which you'll be part of. This is a super alpha in trading conference on algo trading. If you have interest in knowing what is algo trading, basics of algo trading, angel investing, basics of stock market, forex again, and crypto, swing trading, personal finances, multi-bagger investing, and everything. So if you're part of the community, we do take such workshops from time to time, and you'll be updated with all such workshops. Now I understand for a fact most of you are beginner. We'll be also be giving you introductory course. So this is a recorded video. Everything else will be live. In this recorded video, we have the basics of forex trading, basic terminologies again to do a brush up and how we can help you or assist you in account opening. Walkthrough of trading view and MT4, introduction of some indicators and how you can apply it in trading view. Also, FTMO challenge remains the same every time. It is part of the bootcamp curriculum, and it will be provided to you, like how you can clear the FTMO challenge or any challenge if you're looking for funded account. Now, I've pushed the link in the chat box. Would request student to hold on who have made the payment already. I'll confirm with my finance team and give you the verification whether you will be eligible to receive the discounted, like the workshops and everything I discussed, by looking at the timing of the payment. Now, so some students were mentioning to show the results of our students. So I think my screen is visible now. So purposely, I have opened the very old batch. This is the Forex June batch, as you can see on the screen. Even today, and students are active. Students are, actively taking trades, are also sharing their results using the same strategy which have been provided to them during the bootcamp itself. You can see it is very much possible, guys, but we also require your involvement in the market. We would want to see your analysis, like what your assignments, And what I'll do is that I'll just simply show you the charts, the targets which students are achieving. If by any case, if there is any day which your SL is being hit, or if there is any learning point which you guys are getting, you can just put it out in the premium WhatsApp group, and we'll be discussing that, so that once you're part of the community, you'll be uh, surrounded with the like-minded people. And if you have any query, feel free to reach out to us. Even now, students, if they have any doubt, if they're stuck anywhere, even now they're still in contact with Muthu Kanan sir. So this is just one batch which I'm talking about. If you ask me, I'll open any batch and you'll see students are performing, they're sharing their results. Like I mentioned, you'll have the recorded video of every class. You can just go through and revise, and feel free to reach out to us. Now, students who are having any difficulty while making the payment, what you can do is that you can just simply put your contact name personally in the chat box. Students who are making the payment directly to the UPI ID, it will be easier for us to detect your register your name right away, by if you can just simply share a screenshot on this number. So now if you have any more query related to the bootcamp, you can ask your doubt now. And what we'll do is that we'll also show you the result of a very recent batch of December batch. So the batch got over yesterday, and those students are still performing. So you can imagine, whether you're active or you have passion about learning and making money out of Forex trading, it is possible. We require your involvement again in the market. Okay, so anyone has any doubt related to the bootcamp curriculum, registration, lifetime mentorship support, and if by any case, if you feel that you won't be able to attend the whole workshop during this period, 9th to 9th January to 19th of January, you'll have the access of rollover to our next bootcamp whenever it will be happening. So, Azhar, we don't have class daily, because that way it will be difficult for you to digest everything. We'll give you space, we'll give you time to comprehend things. If you're getting stuck, you can reach out to us, do revision, revise, go through the recorded video, and there will be some assignments given to you. So by completing those during those, because I believe sometimes when we are when we are taking live classes, you don't get any doubt, but when you're revising or going through the same content, you get many doubts. At least, like in my case, I get many doubts, so it gets difficult for me to cover everything. So you'll be having some breaks in between. Like I was saying, if you cannot attend the whole workshop, if you're missing out with 3 or 4 live classes, you'll be you'll be giving the rollover to our next boot camp whenever it will be happening. Dates are not out yet. So in a way, once you're part of the community, you have the right to get added in our upcoming batch. A username iPhone, maybe you can just put your phone number in the chat box, because once the class gets over, the link will get expired, and wouldn't be fair for students who are enrolling during the session. Students who have already paid, wait for a while, I'll give you the confirmation. Meanwhile, I think so we can clarify their doubts related to the best platform and legality part.
All right, all right. Okay, let me share my screen. Just give me a second. Yeah. Okay, so the you guys will be having this question, right? Whenever you wanted to start the Forex business, so people used to say Forex is scam, Forex is illegal, you cannot do this thing, and because SEBI, RBI has banned certain platforms, so you cannot have the proper brokers, so you will get arrested. So a lot of things, lot of negativities is there around the Forex thing. So let me clarify certain things. Why government of India is government of India, or you can say why Reserve Bank of India is not allow or not or insisting us not to trade the Forex market. Okay. Why? The reason is one simple reason. When you involved in this forex market, what you are doing? You have to trade the market using US dollar. For example, if you're opening an account with broker, so you will be depositing Indian rupees to the broker, and broker will be converting that money into US dollar, and he will give you the US dollar. So using that US dollar, you will be trading. So this is indirectly you are purchasing US dollar, and which is increasing the value of US dollar and decreasing the value of Indian currency. So Reserve Bank of India don't want you guys to do the forex trading. Okay, if you do that, you are purposefully reducing the value of Indian currency. You are making demand for the US dollar and you are reducing the value of Indian currency. That is the sole purpose. The Foreign Exchange Management Act and Reserve Bank of India saying that don't use these platforms, don't do trade, don't do forex trading. Okay, but you are just seeing the overall picture. But if you go deep dive into the laws, okay, what laws is saying, if you want to trade the forex market, don't use Indian currency. Don't use Indian currency. If you invest Indian currency into the forex market, the currency value will go down. Okay, so how we can trade, whether it is legal or illegal? It's not legal, it is not illegal, it still falls under the gray area. Okay, now how we can trade? Now that's why I told you guys in the beginning of the session, cryptocurrencies are back in India, right? February, in this year, February, crypto bill was passed in the parliament. So what they said, crypto is not legal or illegal, but we observed that a lot of people are trading the cryptocurrencies. So we are going to impose the tax, which means they allowed Indian citizens to trade cryptocurrencies. Okay. Now this is the wonderful thing for a forex trader. Why? Because every single forex broker accepts the crypto deposits. Okay. So what you can do is you can deposit money into the crypto wallets, crypto platform. You can purchase some cryptocurrencies, and that cryptocurrencies you can deposit into the broker account. Using that cryptocurrencies, using that deposits, you can able to trade the forex market. Crypto is the future. So what you can do is you can purchase USDT, US dollar tether from the crypto platforms like Binance, Maserclass, and Geotex, kind of a lot of platforms available. You can buy from there and you can deposit the crypto to the forex broker's account. So this is the way you can trade the forex market legally in India. You can do that. I'm again insisting, trading forex is not legal, not illegal. Okay, it is not legal, not illegal. Okay, it falls under the gray area. You can trade, you can invest the money into the crypto markets, and that from there you can deposit into your broker account. You can do that. This is one way. This is one way, using the traditional brokers like OctaFX, IC Market. So many brokers are there. Any broker you can choose. If you're a complete beginner, you can choose like XNS, OctaFX kind of brokers. Okay, but if you're an experienced trader, if you have money and if you have like confident and everything, then you can choose some high class brokers. For example, Global Prime is the one of the broker, which is very good broker. Global Prime, Vantage, and you can say Pepperstone, FXTM, FXCM. These brokers you can able to trade, but deposits through crypto format. Don't directly do the cash transfer. Okay, deposit through the crypto. That is the way you can trade. Number two is funding platforms. What is funding platforms? Funding platforms are, or you can say funded platform, are nothing but there are companies have money, but they don't have the traders. Okay, so they have money, but they want someone to trade their money. So there are companies like FTMO, My Forex Funds, True Forex, 5%, Funded Next, and To Trade. These are the platforms, some of the examples I have given. So what you can do is these platforms are conducting the challenge, 2-month challenge. Okay, you can apply for the challenge. Once you pass the challenge, you will get funded account. How much? It depends upon the challenge, depends upon the plan you are choosing. So it starts from $5,000 to $10,000. You will get $5,000 or $10,000 account. Using that cash, using that money, you can trade the market. If you make profit, you will get the profit share. If you lose the money, your account will be banned. Okay, there are funded platforms like FTMO, My Forex Funds. They conduct 2-month challenge. Okay, so what is the challenge? For example, 2 months they are giving you. Within 2 months, you need to make $1,500. Okay, that is the target number 1. You need to make $1,500 using $10,000 capital. They'll be giving you the $10,000 capital. You have to make $1,500. That is the criteria number 1. Criteria number 2 is within 2 months, at least you need to trade 20 days. 20 days you have to trade. At least minimum trading days is 20 days. And within the 2 months, you cannot lose more than $1,000. You cannot lose more than $1,000 at any given point of time. Okay, this is also one of the rules. And finally, every day, if you are trading today, if you are losing more than $500, then your account will be banned. Okay, so you cannot lose more than $500 per day. You cannot lose more than $1,000 at given point of time. You have to trade 20 days and you have to make $1,500 profit within 2 months. If you fulfill this criteria, you will get funded account. What is the difference between funded account and normal broker account? In normal broker account, you will be depositing the money and you'll be trading. In funded account, once you pass this challenge, 2-month challenge, they will give you the money. They will not give you the bank transfer. They will give you the access to their software. So you can trade with that software. I mean, the MT4 software. If you make profit, you will be getting the profit split. If you lose the money, then you will not get anything. Your account will be banned. Okay, you cannot lose more than $1,000. You cannot lose more than $500. So this is so far best way to trade. Reason number 1 is you are not going to trade with your money. You will be trading with their money. So when you trade with other people's money, you will have the responsibility to make money, and you can also trade without stress. When you trade with your own money, you will be having the stress, compulsion and stress. Right? I cannot lose this money. I cannot lose this money. That kind of mindset you'll be having. So when you trade with other person's money, you'll be having the responsibility and you will be trading without a stress. If you make profit, you will be getting the split. If you are not trading, you are not getting anything. Okay. So by far, funded accounts are really, really best. I can tell you My Forex Fund is really, really best. You can able to trade My Forex Fund. All right. So if you want to trade the Forex market, you can trade the Forex market using brokers, but deposit should be in the form of cryptos. And or if you want to appear the funded account, you can also do that. And there also you can deposit through cryptos. Okay. Choice is yours. You can choose any brokers, crypto deposit, trade, no problem. Anyways, you will be paying the tax, 30% tax for crypto deposits. So deposits and withdrawals. So anyways, government also will be getting the tax for trading the Forex. So this is the way you have to trade. If you have any question related to the funded platforms, maybe you can ask. Okay, is this available for the beginners? Now, one thing I would like to tell you here is funded platforms are bit advanced users. The reason is beginners may not know how to trade the market, right? Or beginners may not able to make money consistently. So beginners, I suggest you open the broker account, trade with the broker account. Once you start make the money, then you can jump into the funded account. But the facility is available for everyone. Beginners, experienced trader, anyone can apply for the challenge. But my suggestion is, if you are a complete beginner, first trade in the broker account with your money. Then you can jump into the funded account. That is my suggestion. But everyone can able to trade. All right. So if you don't have any questions, we can jump into the what you call the next strategy.
Okay. Very quickly, again, I'm mentioning students who are paying through UPI ID. Make sure that you share a screenshot on this number. Otherwise, I think your payment won't get verified. Okay, you have already shared the screenshot. Okay. Very quickly, sir, I just wanted to share the result of the very recent batch because
Sure.
students are still little skeptical about stepping into crypto, considering it's maybe new for them.
Mhm.
Uh, what I'll do is that I'll share the result of our very recent group and okay. So I hope the screen is visible. This is a December batch which I'm talking about. So you can see they're executing trades. Whatever they are learning, it's fresh and they're applying it in the market only. So it doesn't matter whether if you have missed out. Again, I'm mentioning if you have missed out, you can revisit the recording. You can go through the recording and you can share analysis because considering that if you're a beginner, if you are absolute beginner, there might be some confusion, there might be some doubts. uh, Assignments will be shared. We expect our student to do the assignments and uh, you know share the result with us in the group itself. So again, this is the very recent group and in every group the same thing is there. Like this is a November batch, again very recent group. Students are performing, are very active and are taking trades, sharing it in the group itself. And not just in the forex market, they are also taking trade in Indian stock market as well. So if you're active there, you can apply the same strategy. So students who have any query, you can just put it out in the chat box. I'll clarify the doubt for you in the chat box itself.
All right. Okay. Now, if you have any queries, you can ask. Meanwhile, we'll see the refinement of smart money strategy. Now, whatever we learned is the piece of smart money strategy. Now, one thing you need to understand, guys, some of you guys may feel that I know support and resistance. I know trend lines. I know what you call the Elliott waves. I know the Fibonacci strategy. I know the Gann strategy. So a lot of people will be seeing the lot of strategies in the markets, and you may feel that it's what is the difference between the smart money and other strategies. One thing you need to understand, if you are starting a business or if you're doing something, if you're going to start the business, you need to understand one thing. What is your competition? Who is your competition? Right? Suppose you are going to open the hotel or restaurant, you should know your competition. You should know your customer base. Everything you should know, right? Without knowing that, you cannot enter into this business and any business, right? Trading is the business, especially forex trading it's a very good business. Okay, before you enter into the business, you need to know your competition. Who is whom you are competing? You are just buying, selling based on XYZ lines and XYZ strategies. No, it is not. You have to understand that the big players are operating this market. Okay, for every 1 pip movement, there is a lot of money is involved. Every 1 pip movement, a lot of money is involved in this market. So huge money involved in this market. So which means huge money we don't have. Only this big guys are have. Big banks, insurance companies, investment companies, and investment banking sectors, banking sector, reserve banks, and what do you call it, the central banks. Everyone is involved in this business. So it is necessary to identify their footprints. Okay, where they are trading, how they are trading, how they are cheating us, how they are manipulating us. You should know those things before you jump into this business. Okay, it's applicable for the stock market, it is applicable for the forex market, it is applicable for the currency market, commodity market. Why I am saying that? All single market is operated by the big players. You can say that stock market is operated by SEBI or NSE, BSE. No, NSE, BSE, stock market, and SEBI are, it's kind of regulators. But who is actually involved in this market? Traders, right? Investors. Okay, they can do anything. They can manipulate anything. Couple of months before, there was a scam which is done by SEBI director himself. Okay, SEBI's director himself did some scam. Not SEBI, I think in NSE's director have done some scam. So anyone can manipulate you, especially stock market. Anyone can manipulate you. Whereas in the forex market also, this is happening. Manipulation is happening. Okay, cheating is happening. So if you know the strategy, if you know how they are cheating, where they are cheating, how they are manipulating us, then we can avoid our losses, right? So that's why we are learning the smart money. That's why I'm telling you, we have to learn the smart money strategy, especially beginners. Okay, so now we are going to refine this strategy. Whatever we learned so far, we are going to refine this strategy. Okay, now today, for refinement, you can do a lot of refinements are available. You can do price action based refinement. You can use smart money based refinement. You can use indicator based refinement. You can use fundamental data based refinement. Okay, lot of things, a lot of refinements are available. But today we are going to learn some indicator based refinement. Okay, so there's an indicator called QQE indicator. QQE indicator. Now you may feel that why we are learning indicator. We are not learning indicator for buying, selling. We are going to combine this indicator with the swing point strategy. Okay, QQE is nothing but qualitative quantitative estimation strategy, right? That indicator we are going to combine, and based on that we are going to avoid the false signals and we are going to take the correct signals. All right, so that is what we are going to learn now. Okay, so just give me a second. Let me share my screen. Yep. All right, so I told you guys we got a swing. Let's take some different pair. Okay, let's see some different like maybe we can see GBP JPY, some minor pair. Okay, so I'm deleting these lines because this is the marking which I have done. Right, now I am plotting the EMA. So 2 EMAs I have plotted, right? We don't have it. We had a sell direction so far. After that, now we just got the buy direction. Okay, now the EMA is crossed over and EMA is going up. We are going to buy. How we are going to buy? From the swing points. This is the swing point we are going to buy. Okay, but I don't know whether this is going to work or not. How do I find that, or how do I filter my entry? So for that I'm going to use QQE indicator. So click the indicators button here, search QQE. If you search QQE, you'll be getting a lot of indicators. That is confusing. So QQE space MT4. Just type this. So this is some simplified form of this indicator. So we can use this QQE MT4. All right. So choose this, the first one. Click this one. Okay. Just click this one. Right. And now what you need to do here is, here this thing is not visible properly. Okay, QQEMT4 indicators plotted. Here you can see one line is there and this is not properly visible. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to the settings. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to change the color a little bit. So here you have a yellow color, right? Just click this. And let me change the yellow color to green so that I can see. Increase the size a little bit. Okay. Let's go click the red color. Let's increase the size a little bit. Right. Now, you can see here, there's a green line and red line. Each lines are crossing each other. Okay. Now, what you can see here is, what you can conclude here is, whenever the green line is important line here, green line goes below the red line. Okay, goes below the red line. You can say that market is bearish. Green line is goes above the red line. Market is bullish. Okay, bearish, bullish. Now it shows bullish, right? It shows bullish. Now it is already gone above. Now wait for price to come back. When it is touch, you can take a buy entry from here. Let's take if it is come back, we'll take trade, right? So what we can do is, let's take some trade. Let's click the buy button and let's put some limit order here. So I'm going to buy from here, this level. This level I'm going to buy. Okay, what is the price? Let me take the horizontal ray so that we can see the price. I'm going to put buy entry here. I'm going to put stop loss here. Okay, so limit order, what is the price? 160.240. Here we are going to buy 240. We are going to buy, and our stop loss will be here in this bottom, which is 159.961. Okay, target will keep. Let's see the target. We can keep this target of 20 pips. Okay, so buy, stop loss here 159. I'm sorry, 159.961. So it's a 27 pips. It's really huge pips. So maybe then we can choose 30 pips target. All right, let's place this entry. So I bought here. My order is executed, and I placed my stop loss is 21 point, which is really huge. My target is 27. So let's wait for the price to come back. When it come back, it touch here, your order will be executed. Now, if you want to reduce your stop loss, I'm going to give you one more hint. What you can do is, you can put entry in the 50%. So for example, this is the swing point we are going to buy, right? So what I'm going to do here is, I'm going to bring the price a little bit down to the 50% of this swing point. Okay, you can modify order. So by the way, you can reduce stop loss a little bit. Okay, 15 pips stop loss, right? So let's see whether it's working or not. But you need to understand that the trend is not yet changed. It's just changing. It is not giving the clear thing. Let's wait whether it's going to work or not. So what we did here is, we are just marked the swing point like this, right? And we concluded the price is going above the EMA. So EMA says market is bullish, and swing point says we are going to buy from the swing point, and QQE indicator says market is bullish. The green line is gone above. So that's why we put the buy entry here. So we'll wait for the price to come back, touch here. Once it touch here, our order will be executed, right? So this is how you have to refine the order. For example, you can see here. Let's see some back. Let's go to the back. So let's close this window. Okay, let's zoom in a little bit. Right, let's zoom in a little bit. And you see the swing point here. The swing point is okay. This swing point tested. This is not tested, right? This is not tested. So mark this swing point. This is failed. All right. So how we can avoid this? Just see the. Let me zoom in the QQ indicator. Let me take that little bit. Okay. So when price reach your swing point, just see the what signal you are getting. You are still getting the buy signal. It is still the buy signal. And also it is above, it is in between the EMA, right? It's in between the EMA. So EMA is not giving the proper signal, and your QQ indicator is also not giving the proper signal. So you cannot sell from here. So you could have avoided this entry, right? So by the way, you can avoid, you can do some filtration process. You can do the filtration process, and you can like add some more indicators if you want. Like you can use the what do you call it? MACD, RSI, moving averages. Not moving averages means like 15 period moving average, 34 period moving average, 10 period moving average, 20 period moving average. By the way, you can do some things. The improvisation of strategies are most important. You learn one strategy and you need to improvise the strategy in your own way. By the way, you can able to what do you call it? Reduce the flaws. Now, whatever we learned is just based on the indicators, but in the boot camp, we'll be learning without using indicators. Without using indicators, we'll be learning. All right. Okay. So Shweta, would you like to add something, or shall I continue?
Okay, just wanted to add there's one slot available at the moment. Students who are interested haven't enrolled, might be facing some difficulty. What you can do is that you can simply put your contact detail. I'm launching the contact poll. So if most of you are still interested, we might extend few more slots. So I've launched the contact poll. I think we can continue, sir.
Okay. So one thing I would like to tell you here, one simple thing I'm going to tell you. So this is the one thing you have to incorporate in your trading. Any market you can incorporate, especially Forex market. I'm going to give you some trade management tips. What is trade management tips? If you are a complete beginner, what you need to do? I'm telling you this. First things first, you have to open a demo account. You have to trade in a demo account for at least 1 month. Okay, any strategy, you have to trade in 1 month. Then you have to do this thing. Okay, I'm going to tell you. So you have to deposit $25 alone with XYZ broker. Any broker you can open. Okay, and choose your initial investment is capital is $25. Okay, and choose 500x leverage. Okay, then this is most important. You have to trade only micro lots. Okay, it can be like 1 micro lot or 2 micro lot, 1 or 2 micro lots. Okay, per day. Then your maximum target per trade should be 200 points or 20 pips. I'll explain the 20 pips and points. Okay, pips, right? Then your maximum 3 trades per day. Okay, you have to do this for after 1 month of demo trading. Second month, for the first week, you have to do like this. This is for the first week. Okay, sorry about my spelling mistakes. I'm not I'm not able to type very fast. Target. Okay, first week you have to do this thing. Second week, you have to increase the lot size. So suppose this week you are trading with 1 micro lot. Next week onwards, you need to trade 2 micro lots. And third week, you need to trade with the 3 micro lot. Fourth week, you need to trade with 4 micro lot. Okay, the second month is over. Third month onwards, you need to trade with 5 micro lots. First week, 5 micro lots. Second week, 5 micro lots. Third week, 5 micro lots. Fourth week, 5 micro lots. Now, why this is important? And you have to capture only 200 points. Next 3 months, you have to capture only 200 points. Now, the one mistake everyone is doing now, everyone, or one mistake, one thing people are thinking before they jump into this market. People used to say that, brokers, especially the broker used to say that, if you deposit $500, you can able to make $200 every single day. If you deposit $1,000 every single day, you can able to make $500. That is bullshit. Okay, that is purely gambling. That is not possible. If you are depositing $1,000, you cannot make $500 every single day. No, that is not at all possible. I am telling you, that is not at all possible. That is possible some days, but next day you will be losing all the money. Trading is all about consistency. It is not about profit making. Consistency is the key. What do you mean by consistency? Everyone can play the cricket. You can play the cricket. I can play the cricket. Can you play for Team India? Everyone can able to ride the bike. Everyone able to drive the car. Can you participate the Formula 1 race? What's the difference between Formula 1 racer and you? What's the difference between cricket, the Virat Kohli and you? Because whether they are having tournament or not, every single day they practice. Not only they practice, they have started from the scratch, zero. This is called scratch. You have to start from like this. You have to start like this. Whether you have experience, 10 years experience in stock market, 12 years experience in stock market, when you come to the Forex, it is new terrain for you. You cannot understand the thing. Okay, you have to start from the scratch. First, you have to give a lot of time to understand the market. If you can't able to convert your $25 into $50, you cannot convert $500 into $1,000. Okay, if you really trading with a consistent manner, you can able to convert $25 into $100 or maybe $150. Okay, so one fundamental mistakes every people is doing is they just simply jump into the market. They think that buy, sell, but that's it. Buy here, sell here, make profit. Every advertisement is also showing like that. Buy here, sell here, you made $200. That is not it's all about the Forex. It need fundamental understanding. Okay, you have to practice. If you practice like this, whether you are joining the bootcamp or not, that doesn't really matter for me. Okay, whether you are learning smart money strategy or not, any strategy, if you practice like this, you will come to know whether the strategy working or not. You will come to know what is market is all about. Okay, so if you want to trade the market, you have to follow the setup. Start with scratch. Don't deposit $100, $200, $300. Don't do that. Start with $25. Enough for that. Just trade with this setup. Okay, if you can able to capture 200 point every single day, then after 3 months, just increase your capital. Trade with mini lots, trade with standard lots. 200 points means $2 per day. After 3 months, you capture only the 200 points. You'll be making $200 because you are trading. Only the lot size you are increasing. Only lot size you are increasing. You are not going to increase the profit target. Okay, this is the way you have to trade. Why I am saying this? If you wanna clear the funding platform challenge, you have to follow the setups. Okay, so any strategy you follow, you have to follow like this. All right. Now, if you have any questions, you can ask. And a few other things I have not covered, I'll cover that also. Yes, Shweta.
Yes, sir. So I had mentioned in the chat box also 5 slots are being extended. I could see in the poll as well, in the contact poll, most of you are still interested. Also, just to make the process maybe a little easier for you, students who were mentioning to extend the discounted price, the link will get expired after the class. But how we can help you is by giving you the EMI option. So you can pay the token amount of 1,000 today, get registered, and you'll be added in a premium WhatsApp group. And later during the bootcamp, considering the bootcamp is going to start from 9th of January. So later during the bootcamp, you can pay in parts and there will be no extra cost will be charged if you're going with the EMI option. Students have already made the payment. You will be added in a premium WhatsApp group, maybe today or tomorrow. Yes.
All right. All right. Okay. Pips and points, someone has asked. Very beginning of the session itself, they asked, what is the difference between pips and points? Okay, it's simply numbers, nothing but. So, for example, if I say 10 points, okay, 10 points, 100 points, 1,000 points. Okay, so 10 points means 1 pip. 100 points means 10 pip. So similarly, 1,000 points means 100 pip. So how do I know that? Okay, so for example, in this chart, let's take this chart. Okay, let me zoom in. So let's see this bullish movement. Okay, so there is a scale here, there is a measurement tool here. Click that from the bottom to top, like maybe like this. So I hope you can see that 0.479. What do you mean by that? 0.47 means nothing but 435 points. If it is a 435 points, then you can say that it's a 40 pips. 40 pips. Okay. Similarly, if you bring the price down from the top to bottom, you can say it will be, you can see the minus 0.544. Okay, that is nothing but 556 points. So how do I convert that? So it is nothing but 50 pips, 56 pips, 55 pips. Okay, because 100 points means 10 pips. So 500 points means 50 pips. That's it. Now, every currency pairs will be having the different denomination. Here, if you can see, the GBP JPY you have 161.0, 161.0600, right? If you go to the Euro USD, let's say take the Euro USD, you can see here 1.06400, right? Every currency pair will be having the decimal places. Some currency pairs will be having the 3 decimals, some will be having 2 decimals, some will be having 5 decimal places. Okay, for example, this is have 5 decimal places. So here, how do I calculate the pip? Let's say we have 1.5 1.05612. Okay, this is the price of Euro USD. Example sake, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 decimal places. Now, in a simple language, what you can do here is, here the last digit is called as pipet. Okay, pipet. Spelling, sorry about the bad drawing. Last digit is called as pipet. The second last digit is called as pip. Okay, if the second digit, the fourth decimal is changing. If it is changing, it is 1 right now. If it is goes to 2, you made 1 pip profit. 1 pip profit. Now you have 61, right? 61. If it has become 60, if it has become 71, you can say that it is 10 pip stops, 10 pip profit. You have 561. Okay, 561. If 561 becomes 661, then you can say 100 pip movement is happened. Okay, this is about the 5-digit number. Currencies like this, like 123.010. Some currencies will be like this. So here also the same logic. Last digit you have to avoid. Second last digit. If second last digit is changing, then you can say 1 pip movement happened. 1 become 2, 1 pip movement happened. Okay, the 0 becomes 1, 10 pip movement happened. So 301 become 401, then you can say it's a 100 pip movement is happened. Okay, like that you can have the pip understanding. All right, let me see. Okay, Pritesh is asking why you have not bought the premium membership. Why I have to bought the premium membership? I'm not an indicator based trader, right? I'm not an indicator based trader. I'm a smart money trader. Let's see my charts. My charts will be like this. My analysis will be like this. Okay, and I'm not trading using the trading view. Trading view is only for teaching. Okay, we will be trading using the MT4. So don't try to mock me. Okay, and that's why I told you guys initially, why are you paying your money? Why are you paying 1,000 rupees every single month for trading view when you can able to trade without indicators, right? Don't underestimate me, guys. Okay, please let me know what is that Indian time is good for trading. Okay, Indian time is 11:30 morning, 11:30. Your what do you call your European session will be starts. If you go through the websites, it will say 12:30. But in my opinion, in my experience, I'm telling you, 11:30 is enough. 11:30 to evening, midnight, 12 o'clock, you can trade. You can trade till 12 o'clock. That is possible. All right. That is best time to trade. But early morning also you can trade. But the thing is, you will not get the movement. All right. Okay, genuine broker. We don't have genuine broker. See, Vantage. These are the brokers are not based on India. Vantage. And I cannot suggest you broker because I'm not using the brokers. I'm a FTMO trader. Okay, I'm an FTMO trader. So I'm not using the brokers. Global Prime. How I am suggesting this because based on my students' experience. GLO Global Prime. Prime. PRAME Prime. Vantage. Vantage and FXCM. Pepperstone. And what else? You have one more broker, capital.com. You can use capital.com. And one more, Black Bulls. Black Bulls. You can trade these brokers, but if you don't have these brokers, you need to deposit at least $500, $200 to $500. Capital.com is the good one. You can start. You can start with $20 also. And sometimes back they have $50 package also. So $20 package is enough. Okay, you can do that. But if you are short on capital, we don't have any other option. OctaFX. Okay, OctaFX is the only option. OctaFX, XNS, IC market also you can do. And yeah, that is I can suggest you. XNS, yes, you can do the XNS also. No problem. Don't need to ask. Sorry. Now, one thing you need to understand here. Maybe if you if you want to enter into the stock Forex business, your aim should be clearing the challenges, FTMO challenges. FTMO challenges, My Forex Fund challenges. If you clear the FTMO, My Forex Fund challenges, then you can call yourself as a professional traders. Okay. If you are trading with your own money, you will not succeed. How I am saying, when you trade with your own money, you can trade. Of course, if you have enough experience, you can trade. That is different story. Most other people are trading with their own money. That is different story. But when you trade with your own money, what will happen? I'll tell you. First things first, you will be always attached to that money. Okay, psychology of money. You will have that, okay, you cannot lose that money. Your mind will say that I cannot lose this money. I cannot lose this money. I don't want to lose this money. So you will always keep on say that lose, right? Right. Whatever you are doing, if you do some repetitions, whatever you are doing repeatedly, that will manifest it. Okay. If you read about the law of attraction kind of things, you will know that. If you repeat something, that will happen. Okay. So whenever you trade, whenever you open the market, whenever you open the laptop, PC, mobile phone, you will be having that thing. I cannot lose this money. I cannot lose this money. I cannot lose the money. You will be always feel the pressure if you trade with your money. There's a difference between own business and working for the employer, right? If you're working for the employer, you will be getting the money. You will be getting the salary every single month. You'll be getting that every single month. Even though you are poor performing employer, you'll be getting some salary, right? And you can go to the office morning 9 o'clock and you can come back by 5 o'clock. There is no pressure. Maybe you'll be having pressure, actual pressure, but when you reach the home, you don't have the pressure. But if you do the business, you will be always have the pressure because your money is involved over there. Okay. So when your money is involved, then you will be having the stress, depression, and everything. Okay. So that's why I'm saying you have to trade with other person's money. Professional traders will trade with the other person's money. I have a FTMO account. The next month, I'm going to open the My Forex Fund account next year, actually. And I'm going to record all those my challenges in the form of video, and I'm going to upload in the YouTube. I don't have YouTube channel, so yet, not yet. Till today, I don't have anything, but I'm going to do that because a lot of my previous best students asked me to show how we can clear the funding platform challenges. So I'm going to do that from the next January. Okay. And I also do, if you don't know what I'm doing, I am a funded account trader. I'm a FTMO trader, and I'm a Bank Nifty trader. I manage the funds of my clients, not every clients, only few clients. I'm managing the fund of other persons, and I do the mentorship, and I also do some other businesses. I'm being part of some other businesses. Okay. So if you want to start your Forex career, you have to start from the demo account first. Then you need to jump into the broker account. Then you need to apply for the funding platform challenge. Once you pass the challenge, you have to continue that. If you clear the funding platform challenge, then you will feel that the professional way of trading. Okay. So that should be the way. That should be your Forex career have to be there. Okay. So now you can ask your questions. If you have any questions, you can ask. I can see some comments. Let me see. Okay, VDT, you are asking about my profits. First things first, let me tell you something. I am a funded account trader. Okay, funded account trader. You will be having the contract. If you have the contract, in the contract it says that you should not share your profits. That is number one thing. Second thing is, I'm asking you, can you tell me how much cash you are having in your bank account? how much cash you are having, and what is your PAN card number. Can you please share me your PAN card number, cash, and can you please share me your personal informations? Will you do that? You should not do that. First of all, you don't see the Instagram and see those profit screen and say that traders will be all like that. Okay, professional traders will not show their accounts, because I am managing my client's account. Okay, I'm managing my client's account. So I see this. Some people feel that people are teaching, they don't trade. You guys have that kind of mindset. Now, one thing you need to understand, we are teaching whatever whatever you are charging, 3,000 rupees, right? In this boot camp, just go through the internet, how much they are charging for the smart money concepts. Just go see the internet. Okay. We are not here for we are not conducting this course for making money and living. Okay. For Zoom call itself, we have to pay 1,500 rupees every month. How much we are charging from you? 3,000 rupees. Let me show you guys something. Okay. Just see my WhatsApp screen. You can see my WhatsApp screen, right? Just see the. Let me show you certain people's. Let's see this guy. His name is Deep. I don't know his name at all. He is my student, actually. Okay, just see. Just see his messages and my messages. He's from August batch, right? August batch, and he was sending some messages, and he had some problems. Which broker you suggest? Hello, I am deciding the Vantage FX, right? And he had some problems. He had made some losses, right? Now, this is the message he shared this Wednesday. Just read out this message. Just read out by yourself. Good morning, sir. Making consistent profit in Indian market, especially in the options by SMC strategy. But due to some timing issues, I cannot able to trade the Forex. Accepted the loss in the past, but now I'm a consistent in options, right? This is the option trader. Now let's see some guys. Mr. Arshad Syed, he's from Maharashtra. Okay, this guy recently cleared his funding platform challenge. This is his certificate. Okay, and I cannot show his contract. To be frank, I cannot show contract. He shared his contract with me. I told him don't share the contract, but he trusts me. That's why he shared the contract. He cleared the challenge very recently. Okay, but you guys are want to know what is my profit. Okay, see the guys who attended the boot camp and cleared the challenge. Now, if you see this messages, how long I have been guiding him. So many times I have been guiding him. Okay, see, let me show you some crypto examples. I'm showing different segments. Mr. Pushpendra. Okay, I should not do this. I never do this. If you refer my previous things, I never do this. But when you guys have doubts, see this. Hello, sir. This is Pushpendra here. Sorry if I'm messaging you late. 11 o'clock he messaged me. Okay, he shared me the Excel sheet. I'm using SMC with a combination of moving average and RSI, sometimes in sometimes in MACD. In real Binance account last month, 15 days results was great. Okay, invested 500 USD and gained for 89 USD. Leverage used is 10x. Wow, that's great. In fact, you don't understand that I learned crypto from him. I have connected, I have spoken with him. I learned, because I'm not trading cryptocurrencies. He's my student, but I learned from him for trading the crypto. That's why I told you guys next year I'm going to start my Forex Fund Challenge, where I'll be using the cryptocurrency deposits. And thing. Okay, that's why I mentioned here. It's really motivating me as a trader. I haven't traded the crypto. I'll start using that. I'll start trading the cryptocurrencies. One thing you need to understand, there is a term called law of secrecy. Law of secrecy. I'm a spiritual guy. Okay, I follow the several things. Law of secrecy, law of assumption I use. What do you mean by law of secrecy? If you keep certain things, especially your financial matters, if you go to the United States, there's a number called social security number, SSO number. Okay, social security number, SSN number. If you ask any US citizen about your SSO number, social security number, nobody will give. But if here in India, if anyone asks Aadhaar number, everyone will share the Aadhaar number. Okay, Aadhaar number, social security numbers are your identity. You should not share. PAN card is your identity. You should only share the PAN card details with the income tax department and with your auditors. Okay. If I ask about your bank balance, everybody will get nervous. Either you will not have the money or you will have huge money, right? That is the situation, right? So if I ask about the portfolio statement, you should share the portfolio statement only with your auditor. If anybody shares in the social media, okay, here I have not shown you the portfolio statement. Okay, anybody shares the portfolio information in the social media, either it can be a fake or it can be like purposefully they are doing for something else. Most of the times it will be fake. So Instagrams, Facebook, if you see the portfolio statement, oh, this much I have made, that is fake. But here, whatever you are seeing, the real persons. These guys are not fake persons, real person. This person, today he messaged me and he wanted to talk with me. So I told him that today I'm having a session. Once I complete the session, I'll talk to you. We'll confirm. We will have a session on Saturday. This guy from the previous batch, okay, he having some confusion. I'm not getting the courage. See this message? Sir, I took this trade. I have taken the profits, right? I can able to make the profit. You can see the messages. Okay. I got a good accuracy. I take 200 trades for the 3 to 4 SL hits out of 200 trades. Okay. For example, he has shared me the chart today. This is today. Okay. And take a look at this. I know it is too much drawing, but it just last 2 to 3 days data. And you can see the target and SLs. But still, I'm not getting the courage to start with the real money. Okay. So he practiced it. He don't have the courage to start with the real money. So I told him, let's connect on Sunday or Saturday. Okay. So, okay. So why I have to do this? When he joined September month. He's still practicing. He couldn't able to do the thing. He's a working employee. He couldn't able to trade. Okay. So he's asking me to teach something. So I told him that I sent the voice message. I told him that we'll connect on Saturday or Sunday, which is free day for me. Why? Why I have to do this? Right? For the 3,000 rupees. Why I have to do this? There are guys who's charging 30,000 rupees. Can I show you that? Just go to the Google, search Spartan's Trading Academy. Just go to this website. Okay, he's based at Chennai. Whatever we are learning in the boot camp, the same thing they are teaching. Just see this, see the fee. You may feel that why we are charging lowest fee. The reason is my agenda is because people are charging too much money for this course, this smart money strategies. I don't want you guys to spend that much money. I don't want you guys to fill that trap. Don't pay for that much money for learning this strategy. Okay, then why we are charging? At least we have to pay for the Zoom, right? For that we need to have some money. That is the reason, right? We are uploading we are maintaining the websites. We have to upload the website. We have to make sure that you will be getting the recording and everything, live trading, lifetime mentorship, everything, right? That is the reason. That is the reason we are charging low, right? Okay, whatever you are giving the fee, that I can able to make tries 3 times above that fee, I can able to make in a 1 day, and you can also able to do that, right? So that's why I'm saying that this is not paid course. This is creating the awareness. We are creating the awareness. You need to understand that. Okay, and I want to show you one more, guys. Lastly, he's joined recently. I don't know where exactly. I didn't save the numbers because a lot of numbers are there, right? See this guy. I don't know his name. Okay, yesterday. So hi, I joined the Forex bootcamp. When is the training time? He asked that on 12th December. Okay, and I told him. Then Monday, Wednesday. Actually, yesterday we have completed the bootcamp. Yesterday we have completed. First day. G out of 5K, 50% return. Thanks a lot. See this one. 2,400, 300 in the Nifty 50. He traded Nifty 50. I told you guys you can trade anything, any market. So yesterday, this is yesterday. This is not a fake account, right? $41446, right? This is yesterday. And when he joined the bootcamp, his name is Rajesh, December, right? Okay, how? And we have some people couldn't able to do that also. Why? Because these guys are following the things which I'm telling. Okay, whatever I tell, they follow. That's why, right? So you need to understand one thing. When we give the value we are mean that value. Okay, so do not say that you cannot become successful, you cannot do this, you cannot do this. You can do this, you can do this. If you follow the simple setup, you can able to do this. Okay, this is the smart money thing is required for you, and you don't need to pay for trading you. That's why I told you guys why we have not paid for, why I'm not subscribed for the trading you. That is not required. Why are you wasting your money with that? Deposit that money into the markets. Okay, learn the strategy, practice, right? So you have to do like that. Let me see this trade. What happened to this trade? Okay, it is going negative. I think it's touched. It is touched. It's going negative. Let's see whether it's working or not. All right. Any more question, guys? Any more question you can ask? Let me see that. Yeah.
If you also want to connect with sir, you can directly, like, you can raise your hand. I'll give access to unmute you. You can unmute yourself and have interaction.
Yep. Anybody want to speak with me? You can speak with me also. All right. So I was talking about the law of secrecy, right? I'll tell you that. What is law of secrecy? If you have life goals, if you want to become a IPS officer, IAS officer, anyone, your relatives, or if you want to success in the business, or if you want to get success in the trading, anything, first things first, you should not reveal what you are doing. Don't reveal what you are doing. Okay, whatever your life goals, do not tell anyone. If you tell that I want to become Forex trader to your friends or family or any XYZ person, they will make a fun of you. Arya, this trading is gambling, don't do this. They will create the negativity. Okay, so it will influence you. power of mind. Okay, you just go and read Power of Subconscious Mind book. Okay, if you say if you reveal your secrets to someone, the someone, if he really cares about you, they will not do anything. They will really appreciate you. But world is toxic. Everyone will talk bad about you. Hey, he's doing some gambling thing. It's not gonna work. Okay, it's not gonna work. Forex market, everyone will fail. It's not gonna work. Why are you doing this? It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. Like that only people will be saying. Like that only people will be saying. So that's why I'm telling, don't share your life goals to anyone. Don't share your personal information with anyone. Don't share your ambition with anyone. Don't share your finance, whatever, how much you are making. Why in the companies, when you get the appraisal incentives, why HR is saying that don't share this your salary with your colleagues? Why they are telling like that? If they tell, they will get jealous of you and they will start fight with the HR. You have to keep secrets, guys. First things first, if you are making money, you should not share that money, how much you are making. Even today, my wife doesn't know how much I'm making. My father doesn't know what kind of business I'm doing. Okay, he don't understand. He still say that I'm gambling. Okay, he don't know. He don't consider this as a business. That's why I don't discuss with him about my personal finances, personal the business. Okay, I don't reveal. The what do you call, the billionaires, the millionaires, or the richest people will think like rich. The poor people will be comparing with others. Poor people will be always have the comparative mindset. Okay, they will judge the others. Okay, if you take any successful people, they don't take feedback from others. They trust themselves and they will work upon only with themselves. They don't compare with them with others. Okay, if you compare your finances with others' finance, if you compare your trades with other trades, if you compare your life goals with others' goals, you will not grow. Don't compare. Don't compare. We in school, till school days, we were trusted our teachers, right? That's why we scored good marks in schools. Why we couldn't able to go score good marks in colleges? Why it has not happened in the colleges? Right? Because we don't trust anyone. We started to judge everyone. Why should I study? How much he is making? Why should I do this? Why should I do this? We started to make judge. Okay, you need knowledge. I have knowledge. If you want knowledge, you can always connect with me. All right. So, all right. I think that's it from my end. If you have any more questions, you can ask. And no, see that's why I'm saying, you don't know if Mr. Sunil Kumar, if I show my LinkedIn page, do you know, yesterday also I'm showing you guys, yesterday also one broker pinged me and told me that can you recommend your students to join our broker platform? I'll show you guys. You don't believe this, I'll show you in the mobile, because I have not logged in the in the thing. I'll show you. Just see my LinkedIn. I don't know whether you can able to see this. Okay, there's a message from the broker. I don't know whether you can see this. Okay, let me take a screenshot and I'll oh no, I cannot share in the WhatsApp. Okay, some guy asked me, sir, we provide 50% tradable bonus and introducing broker. Sir, if you interested, if in any of the offer above, kindly share your contact. Our support team will connect. I have received so much message. I never recommended the any broker to my students. I don't need to do that. I don't want your commission money. I can able to make my money. I can able to print my own money. I don't want that. Okay, that's why I'm saying that you guys are judging the book by its cover. Okay, don't judge me like that. I don't want to do that. I don't need to do that. Okay. And I don't need to do this mentorship also. Okay. So that's why I'm saying a lot of toxic mentality you guys are having. Okay. You can, you if you want to become an IB, go and search in LinkedIn. You'll be getting a lot of IB thing. You will be getting that thing. Okay. So I am not doing IB business. That is not required. I'm not a copy trader. I'm a funded trader. I'm trading with my funded account. I'm making money. That is enough for me. And I'm trading with other person's money. I'm not gonna get your money. I'm not gonna trade for you. I'm trading with my family's money. My family's money. That is enough for me. By the way, I can grow. My family also can grow. My brother can grow. My sister can grow, because I'm trading with their money. Why should I trade with your money? Right? Okay. So if you want to become IB, then you have to be like influencer, right? So only then you can become IB. Only then people will contact you. I have a lot of messages related to the IB. A lot of people are asked me to do the IB thing. Okay, you can go and check LinkedIn. There are a lot of things are happening. See this one, the Bitcoin IB. This is a Bitcoin IB request they have sent me. I didn't respond to them. I don't respond these guys. Okay, most of the IBs are like they cheats. They cheat the money. We don't know what kind of broker they are. So I cannot recommend the people to follow certain brokers, which I don't know, right? So that's why. All right. So okay. So our trade is going positive right now. Now it's about -$1. It touched here and it didn't show any reaction. Now one thing you need to understand, we just followed the raw strategy. Okay, so if you learn the full smart money concepts, you can able to trade in a different manner also. So all right, Shweta, if you have anything to add, you can add. Maybe otherwise we can wrap up the session.
Okay, so what we can do is that we can wrap up the class now. The class recording will be shared in the WhatsApp group, which you guys are added in. Maybe I'll stay for a few more minutes. Students who